Today, we're kicking things off by giving this gray wall a fresh coat. But first, we need to remove any anchors, nails, or debris and patch the walls. Using a screw and a pair of pliers, I will be prying the plastic anchors off the wall. Don't be this person that paints over the holes. The next step is to patch any holes or imperfections on the wall with spackle or drywall mud. The spackle I'm using goes on pink and dries white, indicating the spackle is dry and ready to be sanded or painted over. Skipping these steps will make things look unfinished and cause yourself unnecessary extra work. Now we can start painting. No roller? Yep, I was out of plastic tray liners, so I had to use the paintbrush. Lucky for me, it was a small area. Next on the to-do list was to repaint these stairs green. Want clean edges without having to use tape? Just fan the brush out, go slow near the edge, and don't overload it with paint. Takes patience, but totally doable. The final task was getting the front door ready, scraping off old paint and cleaning it up before that first layer of green paint. Prep work might not be fun, but skipping it will cost you later. Ugh, this is taking too long. Let's speed this up. Ha, much better.